Growing up, I wasn't a big fan of the mid-70 to early 80 Mopars, but as I get older, I'm starting to like them more and more. And after watching this video, you may too. So let's go check them out. People don't think of Cudas or Challengers as mid-70s, but the E-body ran through to 1974. This Cuda is a 73 with the 340, which was the last year for that engine. In 73, the Cuda could be ordered without the side stripes, which makes it look like an earlier 70 car. This 77 Plymouth Road Runner is an original survivor car. It only has 6,700 miles. This is a 1978 Plymouth Super Coupe, which is based on the Volare body. They only made 494 of these, and 1978 was its only year. This is a 73 Road Runner with a 440. In 73, all the engines, including the high-performance ones, were painted blue like this one. After 72, there were no more orange painted engines. This 73 Charger also has the blue 440 engine with the orange air cleaner. This Plymouth Duster is a 1973. And this car in 1973 replaced the Dodge Demon. It's a Dodge Dart Sport 340, and this one has a sunroof. This 1977 Road Runner is white with the white interior, and it also has a sunroof. This blue Road Runner is also a 1977. Here's a Dodge Aspen Survivor car, which has a straight 6 under the hood. But the orange Aspen here, it's packing a lot more punch. And it's a little fancier because it's an RT car. If you enjoy watching Mopars, then click the subscribe button so you can see more of my Mopar videos. And this appears to be original paint on this 78 Dodge Super Coupe. I love the tough steering wheels. This Road Runner is a 79 and has the T-roof option. This is a 78 Dodge Aspen street kit car. And this one is a 76 Dodge Charger Daytona, which has the 360 engine under the hood. I love the door emblem on this 75 Plymouth Road Runner. This was a new body style for the Fury-based Road Runner in 1975. And this one has the 360 engine. The optional Sundance interior looks bright and flawless. If you're enjoying these Mopar cars, click the thumbs up below, and I appreciate you doing that. This is a 1979 Dodge Magnum. Here's another Magnum. The white on white color combo gets broken up nicely inside with the red dash, console, and rugs. The Lil Red Express Trucks were only produced for 2 years, in 1978 and 79. They came with a 360 small block engine. This one is a 78 with the round headlights. There's more mid-70 cars coming up, but let's check out the 70s costume contest really fast and see who won. She's dressed up as Linda Vaughn. This hurts. And check this guy out. My money is on this guy. She's dressed as Olivia Newton-John. And he was the winner. Back to the cars in this beautiful color combo on a 79 Road Runner, which also has the T-Roots. This one is the Dodge Super Coupe. And here's a fine example of the Plymouth version of the Super Coupe. There is an original survivor of this car in my Mopar Survivor video, which you can check out by clicking in the upper right corner, or I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description below. A 426 Hemi Murata? Not exactly. Obviously, this Hemi was not part of the regular production for the Murata, but it does have one sitting under the hood. Here are more Lil Red Expresses, starting with the round headlights 78s and onto the square headlights 79s. Dodge sold much more of these in '79 than in '78. In '78, they produced a little over 2,000, but in '79, they produced over 5,000 of them. And according to Car and Driver magazine, the '78 was the fastest American-made vehicle from 0 to 100 miles per hour. That's right, faster than the iconic 400 cubic inch Trans Am or the L82 Corvette. This is a 1982 Chrysler Imperial, which had the electronic fuel injection. It was right around this time that the carburetor was being shown the exit door on many of the cars. I have to admit, this '79 Chrysler LeBaron red on red with the T-roof and white pinstriping and vinyl roof is a pretty sharp looking car. And what do we have here? This looks like a Murata, and it kind of is. It's a 1980 Murata concept car. It's one of one. It's all original with only 250 miles. It has never been restored. I love the hood on this 1982 Murata CMX, which has the popular black and gold color scheme of that era, which looks extremely sharp with those wheels and the T-roof. And just as impressive is this low mileage Survivor car. It's a '79 Magnum GT, and it's decked out with all the extras, including the fender flares, T-roofs, and the 360. And maybe the best color combo available for this car with the red interior. This car looks like a Lincoln or a Mercury, but it's not. It's a Chrysler New Yorker. And it's the Fifth Avenue edition, having every luxury option you can get for that year. Remember these? A 1988 Chrysler Conquest TSI. And this '75 Dodge Coronet turned drag race car has only 2.2 odometer miles. This is a Volare street kit car, which is one of 347 made, right next to Dodge's version of the same kit, which may have been the fastest car produced in 1978. This Reliant K car is an all-original Survivor with only 14,000 miles and looks like it's still sitting on the showroom floor. This is not normally a car I would include in the video, but its impeccable condition was worthy of showing it to you. You have to appreciate the retro stripe on this pickup, which was a combination of both the '70 AAR Cuda and '70 hockey stick stripes. This last one is not a Cordoba, it's a white Chrysler 300 with the red interior and T-roofs. Hey, you can check out all the different bodied Mopars in one video that I did right here. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.